The manufacturers of household appliances do not want you to find out about this secret, and they will be upset with me when I tell you. So pay close attention, because when you know it, you will thank me all your life. Almost everyone has had it that after a while, the plastics of the appliances tend to change color and turn yellow. This reduces their beauty and makes them look ruined even if they are in good condition. Today, I will show you an incredible solution that will help you return the color to these plastics so that they look like new, quickly and easily, and using only one ingredient. To begin, I will take a white sheet, which is the one we will use as a reference to compare the before and after. For this trick, I will take the ice cube from my refrigerator, which is very yellow, and a pair of white sneakers whose soles are quite yellow. I will put the sheet next to it so that you can see the difference between the tones of the colors. Now we will take the special ingredient that we will be using, and this is the oxygenated water. The one I have has a volume of 40. In some countries, they call this product peroxide, and it can be obtained very easily in pharmacies. I'm going to pour it into a bucket so that it's easier to apply. With the help of a brush, we will spread both the cube and the sneakers until they are completely covered. I would like to know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a greeting in the next video. Today's greeting is for Rosa Gutierrez from Argentina. Once we have spread everything, the next thing will be to seal it. We will take a roll of transparent paper, cellophane paper, or whatever they call it in your country, and we will wrap the cube and the sneakers well. This trick is very efficient, and the result will surprise you a lot. Once wrapped, we must take them to the sun and let them rest for a whole day. After this time, you just have to remove the plastic that covers. As you can see, both the cube and the sneakers look much whiter. Now we take the white sheet again and put it aside. As you can see, the tones of white are now much more similar. If you got this far, leave me the phrase white plastics, so I'll know you watched the whole video.
Así sabré que miraste todo el video.